So in the Edge browser, on the top right hand side, you can see that there is Copilot right here. You can go around and access it out without a problem, as you can see right here. But in Chrome, you can access Copilot on the web, but you don't have a direct way to access Copilot like that. But you can actually install Copilot extension in Chrome as well. So for that, first of all, you need to go around onto the Chrome Web Store. So I'm just going to go around onto the Web Store around over here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and search around for Microsoft Copilot right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, you can see that there is Copilot sidebar for Chrome right here, or Copilot for Chrome, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and click on this one right here, just like this. And then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and add it to Chrome. Let's just go around and add in the extension around over here. And then Copilot to Chrome has been added in, just like this, as you can see right here. So you're all set as it says right here. And you got the Copilot sidebar for Chrome as well, just like you have it in the Microsoft Edge browser. And you can see that this is what you have. You got Copilot right here. You don't get all of the features like documentation making, but you do have this handy tool right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and install the Chrome extension for Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.